Hello, user testing community. It is Mike McDowell once again from the Solutions Consulting team here at User Testing, back with another tip of the week. Now, last week's tip was all about sharing and getting more people into your research and making sure that people had access to the work that you're doing. Well, today I'm going to follow that up with another tip that's related to sharing, but not in as manual a way as last week. This week, we're going to try to do some automated work so that more people get notified when your research is coming in. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to my platform here. You can see I built out a Mike's Tip Tuesday demo, and I've got my study. It's built out. The study itself doesn't really matter. But what I'm going to do is when I hit this launch test button, there's going to be a confirmation screen that gives you the option to notify people as the study fills. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit launch this study, and you can see it's waiting. It's got 5 contributors. So go ahead, I clicked launch, and I believe I clicked launch. Here we go. So now it says notify team members about the results. I'm guessing that most of you don't really use this screen, but because we've got a Slack integration and we've got email here, you can actually put more people right here into this Slack or email field so that as videos come in, more people will get notified that video 1 of 5 is done, video 2 of 5 is done, right here. So this is something that you might not be using because you think, oh, it's just short term, the study's just for me. But what about when you schedule a study? If you've scheduled a study for 2 weeks from now, there may be more members of the team who should know about it. What if you're doing a study that's right now as part of your agile sprint for whatever your development product is you're working on, and you want to make sure that the designer gets the results right away. It's especially important if you're a researcher, part of a centralized hub research team, and you want to make sure that the designer, the developer, the marketer, whoever it is who asked you to do the research, that they get notified when the videos come in so that they can see how that research is coming. It's just that easy. I'm going to bet 99% of you just ignore this screen as soon as you launch it. You see success, your test is launched, and then you sort of just navigate away from this screen. But it's super important. It's a way that you can democratize this result set for the study without having to do any work. You just put the email addresses in here, you put the Slack channel in here, and the notification will go right to the channel or to the email to let someone know that the research is ready to be viewed. Even when it's just the first video, because remember, we don't have to wait for all of the videos to be done in order to start synthesizing and analyzing the research, watching the videos. As soon as the first one is in, that's our cue to get started. So this right here will help you automatically share out the, I don't know, what flag did they give you? The gun, the starter pistol. When the starter pistol will go off automatically, if you just fill out these fields here, instantly people will get notification and they can come and start watching the videos and using the research without you having to do anything. So it's just one more of those ways that user testing tries to enable teams by making things automated, making things less manual for you, especially when you have a large organization that is going to benefit from your research. So that's going to be it for now. I want to see a lot more people using these notification fields to democratize the research, share it, increase engagement across your teams. But don't worry, I'll be back again in 7 days with another user testing tip of the week.